Differentiation of implicit function. If x and y are the two functions and they are connected to each other with the function fxy equal to 0, then y is defined as an implicit in terms of x and y is called the implicit function of x. For example, xy plus x square y is equal to 10. Here x and y, they are connected to each other. Let us proceed with the question part to make this implicit function more easy to understand. Here it is given to us xy is equal to c square, then find dy by dx. Now x and y are connected. Previously what we have done, we simply write differential respect to x and then we proceed with the differential part. But in implicit function we have to differentiate both sides. So we will write it here as differentiate with respect to x both side. So here we have first function, apply the product rule, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function and the derivative of right hand side also. Here I get x dy by dx plus y, derivative of x is 1 only and derivative of constant function is 0. So I get x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to x changes the side minus y upon x. So derivative of this function is dy by dx minus y upon x. Let us consider another question. If say xy is equal to e to the power x minus y. Here both sides the functions are in x and y. So what we do, first of all we have to find dy by dx, differentiate both sides with respect to x. We differentiate both sides with respect to x. What we get, again on the left hand side I apply product rule. First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function and the derivative of right hand side. Here I get dx dy by dx plus derivative of x is 1 only. So I keep 1 y only. Derivative of exponential function is the exponential function itself into derivative of the power x minus y, applying the chain rule. Here I get x dy by dx plus y is equal to, instead of e to the power x minus y, can I write xy? As it is given to us that the e to the power x minus y, the value of e to the power x minus y is xy. So I am replacing e to the power x minus y by xy. xy, I get 1 minus derivative of y is dy by dx. Multiply this and open the bracket. X is equal to dy by dx plus y is equal to xy minus xy dy by dx. I take the terms with dy by dx on left hand side and rest of the terms I will take on the right hand side. I get x dy by dx plus xy dy by dx is equal to xy minus y. From here x dy by dx I take common, x dy by dx, I left with 1 plus y, and here I will take y common, I left with x minus y. To calculate dy by dx, I will keep dy by dx on left hand side and rest I will take on right hand side. So y x minus 1 divided by this x and 1 plus y comes to the denominator, x 1 plus y. So the derivative of the given function xy e to the power x minus y is dy by dx y x minus y upon x multiplied by 1 plus y. Find the derivative of the function x square minus y square upon x square plus y square equal to c. Again we differentiate both sides. Before differentiating, first of all we rewrite the given equation as x square minus y square is equal to c times x square plus y square. I just cross multiply it. Now I will differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. I get 2x minus 2y dy by dx is equal to c, and derivative of x square is again 2x plus 2y dy by dx. Then we get 2x minus 2y dy by dx is equal to, the value of c is here x square minus y square, x square plus y square. I replace c with x square minus y square upon x square plus y square and 2x plus 2y dy by dx. Now cross multiply x square plus y square, 2x minus 2y dy by dx is equal to x square minus y square 2x plus 2y dy by dx. Multiply with these brackets, I get 2x cube minus 2x square y dy by dx plus 2xy square minus 2y cube dy by dx. On right hand side, I get 2x cube plus 2x square y dy by dx minus 2xy square minus 2y cube dy by dx. From here, I will consider the dy by dx common, and from right hand side also I will take dy by dx common. So I get 2x cube cancel out, minus 2y y cube dy by dx and minus 2y cube dy by dx cancel out. I left with minus 2x square y dy by dx. I take this side dy by 2x square y dy by dx right hand side, minus 2x square y dy by dx is equal to minus 2x y square minus 2x y square. This becomes minus 4x square y dy by dx, and this becomes minus 4xy square. So dy by dx will become minus 4xy square upon minus 4xy, x square y. Minus 4xy if I take common, what should I get? Minus 4xy, I left with y only, and here minus 4xy, I left with x only. This will cancel out. My result for dy by dx is y by x. So the derivative of this given function is dy by dx is y by x only. Find the derivative of the function at 0.11. Function is given to us as x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 equals to 2. First of all, we differentiate the function both side by x. So differentiate both side with respect to x. Here we get 2 by 3 x to the power 2 by 3 minus 1, applying power formula, plus 2 by 3 y to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 dy by dx is equal to derivative of constant function 2. I get 2 by 3 x to the power minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 y to the power minus 1 by 3 dy by dx is equal to 0, as the derivative of constant function is 0. I take 2 by 3 common and it will be cancelled out. I get dy by dx as minus y minus 1 by 3 upon x minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 taking common, since here it is 0, so it will be cancelled out. I get this thing. Now we have to find the derivative of this function at 1 1. So keep x is 1 and y is 1. So I get dy by dx at 1 1. I get minus 1 to the power minus 1 by 3 and 1 to the power minus 1 by 3. Its minus is outside. So 1 to the power anything is 1 only. So I get minus 1. So the derivative of the given function at 1 1 is minus 1. The value of this derivative at 1 1 is minus 1. Considering this question, if y is given in this form, we have to prove that 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1. In this case, since there are so many square roots are there, I will take this taking square on both sides. So squaring both side, squaring both side. What should I get? Y square. One square root will be cancelled out. X plus under root of x plus under root x plus under root x, and so on till infinity. This again, since it is infinity, this again it's a kind of y only, y function. So I can write here x square is equal to x plus y. Now differentiate both side respect to x. Differentiate both side with respect to x. Now the question has become easier. First of all, when we are looking over here, it seems to be, it's a huge question and so many calculations should be there. But now what we have done, we just replace this with y to reduce our calculation. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 2y dy by dx is equal to 1 plus dy by dx. Take the term of dy dx on left hand side. So 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to 1. Taking dy by dx common, dy by dx common, I get, so 2y minus 1, 2y minus 1 is equal to 1. This is what I have to prove, that 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1. This is what I have to prove, 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1. So we get the result as 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1. Only thing is, the thing what you have to remember, you have to replace the given function as y, then the calculation becomes easier and we can easily solve and get the result 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1. Using implicit differentiation, verify dy by dx into dx by dy is equal to 1 when the function is given to us as x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. To solve this, first of all, we differentiate the given function with respect to x. Then we differentiate with respect to y. And then we take the product of dy by dx into dx by dy and prove that the result is 1. So let us start with it. As the function is given to us as x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. I get 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx. Here x and y, they are in the product, so we apply product rule. So we have 3a being the constant, first function, let x be the first function and y be the second function. First function into differentiation of second function dy by dx plus 3a second function into differentiation of x, this which is equal to 1. So we have only 3ay. I take the dy by dx function to the left hand side and rest of the function to the right hand side. So I get 3y square dy by dx minus 3ax dy by dx is equal to 3ay minus 3x square. I take 3 dy by dx common. I left with y square minus ax, and in here also I take 3 common. I left with ay minus x square. 3 cancel out. We get the value for dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square upon y square minus ax. So dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square upon y square minus ax. So here I get the result for dy by dx. This is my first equation. Now next I differentiate with respect to y, having the same function x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. Differentiate both sides with respect to y. Now since I am differentiating with respect to y, so my x cube differentiation will become 3x square dx by dy. As I am differentiating with respect to y, it will become dx by dy, and the y cube function becomes 3y square. Again, I apply the product rule here only. So I get 3a, since x be the first function, so first function into derivative of second function. Derivative of y is only 1 plus 3ay into differentiate second function, which is equal to dx by dy. Again, I will take dx by dy term to the left hand side. So 3x square dx by dy minus 3ay dx by dy is equal to 3ax minus 3y square. Take 3 dx by dy common. I have x square minus ay is equal to 3 common ax minus y square. This 3 and this cancel out. I left with dx by dy is equal to ax minus y square upon x square minus ay. Now observe here carefully. Here it is given to me ay minus x square, and here I am getting ax minus y square. So in this case, I will take, if I take minus common, so I will get the same result. Dx by dy, I take minus common, I get y square minus ax upon ay minus x square. This minus minus cancel out. I have dx by dy is equal to y square minus ax upon ay minus x square. This is my second equation. Now I have to take the product of these two to show that this is equal to 1. So here I get dy by dx into dx by dy. dy by dx is my first equation. Ay minus x square upon y square minus ax multiply dx by dy is my second equation, which is equal to y square minus ax upon ay minus x square. See, this will cancel out and this again cancel out. I left with one only. So I have dy by dx into dx by dy is equal to 1. This is what I have to prove. Hence proved. This is I have to prove that dx by dy is equal to dy by dx into dx by dy is equal to 1. So what I have done, I have taken the differentiation of with respect to x, and then we have taken the difference with respect to y, and then I took the product, as this product is the inverse of, see, dy by dx is the, and dx by dy is the inverse of dy by dx. So I get the result as 1. Hence proved. Function is given to us as e to the power x plus e to the power y is equal to e to the power x plus y. We have to prove that dy by dx is this given function. To calculate dy by dx, we differentiate both sides with respect to x. So first of all, since the function is e to the power x, e to the power y is equal to e to the power x plus y, differentiate with respect to x both sides. So we have exponential function e to the power x is, the derivative is e to the power x itself, and for e to the power y, again it is e to the power y, and differentiation of y is dy by dx. Again e to the power x plus y will remain same into derivative of x plus y. So I get e to the power x plus e to the power y dy by dx is equal to e to the power x plus y into derivative of this becomes 1 plus dy by dx. So e to the power x plus e to the power y dy by dx is equal to e to the power x plus y plus e to the power x plus y dy by dx. I take the term dy by dx on left hand side, rest of the term I take on right hand side. Dy by dx minus ex plus y dy by dx is equal to e to the power x plus y minus e to the power x. So I take dy by dx e to the power y minus e to the power x plus y. Here I have e to the power x plus y minus e to the power x. Now my requirement is, what result I required, my requirement is e to the power x minus e to the power x and e to the power y minus 1. So I can take minus e to the power x common from right hand side. This gives me the result as dy by dx. If I take minus e to the power x common, I get 1. This becomes e to the power if I take e to the power minus common, I get e to the power 1 minus e to the power y, and in the denominator I get e to the power y common. I get 1 minus e to the power x. Now here it is reverse, e to the power x minus 1, e to the power y minus 1. So I take negative common. Again, so minus e to the power x, from here e to the power y minus 1, and e to the power y, e to the power x minus 1. As in both case I take negative common, so it will cancel out. My result is dy by dx is equal to minus e to the power x, e to the power y minus 1 in divided by e to the power y bracket e to the power x minus 1. It is same, but result I have to prove. So hence it is proved that the given function can be written in this form. When the derivative is taken, it is given in this form. Find the derivative of this given implicit function. In this function, xy plus x e to the power minus y plus y e to the power x is equal to x square. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we have here, I apply the product rule. First function into derivative of second function plus second function, and derivative of x is 1. Again, product rule, first function into derivative of e to the power minus y. The derivative of e to the power minus y is e to the power minus y and minus 1 also. E to the power minus y minus 1 into derivative of y, that is dy by dx, plus e to the power minus y and derivative x is 1. Again, plus y, derivative e to the power x is e to the power x itself, second function, plus second function into derivative of first function is equal to 2x. First of all, I can take all the values with dy by dx common. So I have dy by dx and I have x. Here I get minus x times e to the power minus y and plus e to the power x equals to 2x. Rest of the value I put variables I take on right hand side. So it will give me minus y, and rest is minus e to the power minus y minus y e to the power x. So dy by dx is 2x minus y minus e to the power minus y e to the power x divided by x minus x e to the power minus y plus e to the power x. So derivative of the given function is given in this form. Derivative of function in parametric form. If x and y are the two functions expressed in terms of third function, say t, and it is given as, say, x is equal to ft and y is equal to gt, then the functions are said to be parametric function, and the third variable is called the parameter. To find the derivative of such function, what we do, dy by dx is given as, we take the derivative of y with respect to t, dy by dt, and the derivative of x with respect to x function with respect to t, and multiply with its reciprocal dt by dx, or you can say that dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dt dx by dt, provided dx by dt should not be equal to 0. Let us do some questions to make it more clear. In this question, we have to find dy by dx if x is given to us as 2at square and y is given in the function as at4, and where t is the parameter. So we calculate x is equal to 2at square. I differentiate respect to t. I get dx by dt as 4at, and the function y is equal to at square, at4. So differentiate with respect to t. I get dy by dt as 4at cube. To calculate dy by dx, I have to write dy by dt multiply by dt by dx. Or you can say dy by dx is equal to 4at cube into 1 upon 4at. Dx by dt is 480 and dt by dx will be the reciprocal of it. So 1 upon 480. Cancel it out. I get dy by dx is equal to t square. So this is my answer. The derivative of the given function is to calculate the two functions are given to us in the parametric form and the parameter is t. So derivative of dy by dx is given as t square. Find the derivative dy by dx of the given parametric function x is equal to t plus 1 by t and y is equal to t minus 1 by t. X is equal to t plus 1 by t. Differentiate respect to t. I get dx by dt as 1. The derivative of t is 1 and the derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. As derivative 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, so I will get 1 by t square. So here also y is equal to t minus 1 by t. Differentiate respect to t. I get dy by dt is equal to 1 plus 1 by t square. So minus 1 by t, the derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. So minus 1 become plus 1 by t square. To calculate dy by dx, I have dy by dt into dt by dx. That means 1 plus 1 by t square into 1 upon 1 minus 1 by t square. Take the LCM, t square plus 1 upon t square. Here I will get t square minus 1 upon t square. T square cancel out. I left with t square plus 1 upon t square minus 1. So I can say that dy by dx is equal to t square plus 1 and t square minus 1. So the derivative of given function is given as t square plus 1 upon t square minus 1. Find the derivative of the function at t is equal to 2 when y is given as a is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square and x is expressed as 2bt upon 1 plus t square. The function of y is a 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. As both are with the same degree, numerator and denominator are of the same degree, the degree of t is 2 and here the degree of t is 2. So what we do, we simply divide it so that we get y is equal to a 1 minus 2 t square 1 plus t square. Multiply by a, y is equal to a minus 2a t square upon 1 plus t square. Now differentiate respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. I get dy by dt is equal to a being a constant term, it becomes 0 minus, here I will apply quotient rule. This give me the result as 1 plus t square whole square, denominator square, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator, that is 2t only, because 1 plus t square, 1 being the constant term 0 and the derivative 2t is t square is 2t. So I have dy by dt is equal to minus 4at plus 4at cube minus 4at cube divided by 1 plus t square whole square. 4at cube minus 4at cube cancel out. I left with dy by dt is equal to minus 4 times 4at upon 1 plus t square whole square. Dy by dt is minus 4at upon 1 plus t square whole square. Calculate for x also. X is equal to 2bt upon 1 plus t square. So differentiate both side respect to t. I get dx by dt is equal to, apply the quotient rule, 1 plus t square whole square, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative denominator. As 1 plus t square, the derivative 1 plus t square is 2t only. So dx by dt is equal to 2b plus 2b t square minus 4b t square divided by 1 plus t square whole square. Dx by dt is equal to 2b t square minus 4b t square becomes minus 2b t square. So I will take 2b minus 2b t square upon 1 plus t square whole square. Take 2b common. Dx by dt is equal to 2b 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square whole square. I calculated dy by dt and I calculated dx by dt. I have to calculate dy by dx at t is equal to 2. Now to calculate dy by dx, I have dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. dy by dt I calculated minus 480 upon 1 plus t square. I substitute the value over here. Minus 480 upon 1 plus t square whole square into dt by dx means reciprocal of this. So that means 1 plus t square whole square upon 2b 1 minus t square. This cancel out. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So I get dy by dx as minus 2at divided by b times 1 minus t square. I have to calculate dy by dt at t is equal to 2. So I will write here as dy by dx at t is equal to 2. I have to calculate dy by dx at t is equal to 2. So wherever there is t, I put 2. I get minus 2a into 2 upon b times 1 minus 2 square, which is equal to minus 4a upon minus 3b, which is 4a by 3b. So dy by dx at 2 is equal to 4a by 3b. dy by dx is equal to 4a by 3b. This is my answer. Differentiate respect to one function with another function. I have two functions in terms of x. I have differentiate one function with respect to other function. So first of all, in this case, I will consider u be my first function and v is the another function with respect to which I have to differentiate. So differentiate this respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, I get du by dx is equal to apply quotient rule 1 minus x square whole square, here denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator, which is equal to minus 2x. On solving, 2x minus 2x cube plus 2x cube divided by 1 minus x square whole square, which is equal to 2x upon 1 minus x square whole square. This is my du by dx. This is my first equation. Now another function with respect to I have to differentiate, I have taken that to be v. So I will take v is equal to x square and again differentiate respect to x. So dv by dx is equal to 2x. This is my second equation. I have to differentiate u with respect to v. So my du by dv is equal to du by dx into dx by dv. Here parametric we introduce ourselves. We use u and v. We have taken the naming of the function with u and v. So du by dx into dx by dv, I get du by dv is equal to du by dx is 2x upon 1 minus x square and dv by dx is 2x and dx by dv is reciprocal of this 1 by 2x, which is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x square whole square. This is whole square also. 1 minus x square whole square. Another function is given to us. X to the power 4 differentiate respect to x log x. We take the first function as u and the function with respect to we have to differentiate, consider that to be v. So we have u is equal to x to the power 4 and v is x log x. So differentiate with respect to x, du by dx is equal to 4x cube. That's it. For this function, v I have x log x, differentiate with respect to x. So dv by dx is equal to x and log x are two functions. I will use product formula. For that, x first function into derivative of second function. The derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x, which is equal to 1. So I remain with log x only. So dv by dx is equal to 1 plus log x. So du by dv is equal to du by dx into dx by dv. So du by dx is equal to, my du by dx is, this is my first function and this is my second function. So I will write it here as 4x cube into dx by dv is the reciprocal of this. That means 1 upon 1 plus log x. So du by dx is given as 4x cube divided by 1 plus log x. So the derivative of this function is given as du by dx is given as 4x cube upon 1 plus log x. So differentiate first function with respect to the another function. If two functions are given to us, we have to differentiate with respect to another function. We consider that to one to be u and other to be v, and then calculate du by dv. Keep watching my video. Must like and subscribe my video.